Hello, friends. Today we will discuss the power of empathy. Empathy is the capability of a person to understand and feel how the other person is going through within their frame of reference. Empathy is a skill which anyone can develop and cultivate in their lifespan. So we have three type of empathy. The first one is compassionate, the second one is cognitive, and the third one is emotional. So we need to understand that empathy is a skill which will make or break any relationship. This skill we can cultivate to have many benefits in our professional and personal life. Cognitive and emotional empathy both has its own flaws. The cognitive empathy is like you are thinking but not feeling like what the other person is going through. So it develop a level of detachment. However, the emotional empathy where the person is overwhelmed with all the feelings from which he will be getting a detachment from the productive action to take any productive action. So, in this video, I will give you 5 tips how to develop compassionate empathy. So, let's come and discuss. The first one is the to be present. To develop the compassionate empathy, we need to be aware about the current situation, what is here and now, rather than what has been happening and what has been said. So, this is something we can do not only being present or being around with the person, but we need to consider it in our in and out breath when we feel like our we are wandering. So let's discuss the second one. The second one is actively listen. Often, many times, we come to conversation with our friends, our family members, and customer with some predefined notion, thoughts, beliefs, and ideas. So this does not enable us to listen properly. So to actively listen, we need to hear the other person like we are hearing for the first time. So, this can be done by paraphrasing and by asking follow up question what they have mentioned. The third one is to be within other one's shoe. There has been a research done by the medical research of neuroscience. The time and the attention that the people spend to learn or develop the empathetic behavior, they will be more sensitive. So, this is something also we can do by thinking, spending some 2 to 3 minutes about the situation, how the other person is going through. The fourth one is take action. So, whenever our friends, our near and dear, they are in a problem, so suggest solution or take some action. So, this is not only the last one, rather than suggesting to take action, we need to take action from our side so that it will be lessen their burden so they can deal with their things in their plate, whatever has been there. Let's say if we are having a fear of taking the action from our side, what we can do, we can come up with 2 to 3 suggestion, share the things that okay, these are the things as a friend we can do for them and take their preference. So this will give a feeling that okay, we are for them and we are committed to them. The last one is take good care of yourself. So everything, the compassionate empathy, this can start with you. So there is a saying that how you treat others is the reflection of how you treat yourself. That is the reason we should not leave ourselves as empty or blank with the intent or focus towards only helping others. Take time every week, do things whatever you like or enjoy, and fill your batteries. So at the end, never underestimate the power or the value of showing empathy to your friends, colleagues, customer, or family member. Reap your, grow your compassionate empathy by developing few of these habits, and it will help and reap in many benefits in your professional and personal life. Thank you.